Kabura Learning Center. Welcome back. Today, we explore one-point perspective. This is the key to creating depth and realistic space in your drawings. Exercise 1. The horizon line and vanishing point. The horizon line represents your eye level, and the vanishing point is where all parallel lines seem to meet. Tip: all lines lead to the vanishing point. Exercise 2. Drawing a cube in perspective. Start with a square on your paper, then connect its corners to the vanishing point using orthogonal lines. Tip: vertical and horizontal lines stay true and straight. Exercise 3. Creating depth. By adding more boxes at different positions, you can create the illusion of a street or a corridor. Practice moving your cubes above and below the horizon line. Tip: size decreases as we approach the vanishing point. Mastering one-point perspective is a game-changer for your art. Keep practicing, and in our next lesson, we will step up to two-point perspective. Subscribe for more expert art lessons.